Hello friends, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry. As we discussed in last class, most important one is resonance effect or a mesomeric effect. Second one is what? Electromeric effect. Resonance effect is also divided into two types. The first one is what? Plus M effect. Second one is what? Minus M effect. Electromeric effect is also divided into two types. One is what? Plus E effect. Another one is what? Minus E effect. Okay. The next last one is there, inductive effect completed, the mesomeric completed, electromeric completed, the last one is what? Hyperconjugative effect. This effect is the most important. Okay. This effect we are going to use what oftenly, what is hyperconjugative effect and where it is a more stability. Just here hyperconjugation effect, another name for hyperconjugation effect is what? No bond resonance. No bond resonance. Okay. Next after that, Baker-Nathan effect. Okay. No bond resonance means what? In this case what? There is a bond is not there, means there must be a bond, there must not be a present in the bond. Okay. That is indicate what? No bond resonance. I will show you, okay, how no bond resonance takes place. Okay. Just here the electron displacement, okay, in every type of effect there must be what? Electron displacement. Okay. The electron displacement takes place resulting in the conjugation between pi electrons and sigma electron. Conjugation, what is the meaning of conjugation? Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, that is indicate what? Conjugation. Just here carbon carbon double bond is there, after that single bond, next double bond, next single bond, next double bond, next single bond. This process is indicate what? Conjugation. Where there is a conjugation is there, conjugation takes place what? Between a pi bonds, and this one is pi bond, next one is what? Sigma bond. Hyperconjugative effect only takes place in a conjugation between pi electrons and sigma electrons. Okay. That is how we are going to study. Okay. Pi electron and sigma electron. Just here in this case, stability of carbocation, carbocation stability. Okay, you know very well that primary carbocation is there, secondary is there, tertiary is there. Out of these three, which is a more stable? Obviously the answer is what? Tertiary. Okay. Stability of carbocation. Just here in this case I am going to write the most important point. Okay. The stability of carbocation in hyperconjugation. In what? Hyperconjugation. Okay. Stability of carbocation in hyperconjugation. Stability of carbocation is what? Different thing is there, means what? Free radical will come, no, that is also what? Tertiary will come. Okay. Do not worry about that point, although I will clear. The stability of carbocation in hyperconjugation is order. Stability of carbocation in hyperconjugation order is tertiary is the more stable. Next after that what? Secondary. Next after that what? Primary. In some people are going to what? Pronounce what? 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree, that is also right. If you want, you can pronounce tertiary, secondary and primary, no problem. Okay. Next I am going to write the structure of what? Tertiary, secondary, next one is what? Primary. Just here, this is the carbon containing what? 3 CS3 groups are there. You know very well about that what? It is there in what? Second year, SN1 and SN2 reaction. In SN1 the first example is what? Tertiary only they are going to consider. Just here CS3 is there, this carbon is going to get a positive charge. This is indicate what? Carbocation. In that what? Particularly tertiary carbocation. This is what? Tertiary carbocation is a more stable compared to what? Secondary. Just here secondary, in this case I am going to write a positive charge. Here one H is there. Next in this case what? CS3. Next in this case what? CS3. This is indicate what? Secondary. How we are going to differentiate? This carbon containing only one hydrogen is a secondary, otherwise one more method is there. This carbon containing 2 CS3 group is there, that is what? Secondary. This tertiary carbocation containing 3 substituent group, that is indicate what? Tertiary. The next after that what? Primary is there. Primary means what? This is a CS3. Next in this case what? CH2. This is a positive charge. This carbon containing 2 hydrogen atom, that is what? Primary. Okay, this is the order of what? Hyperconjugation effect. Next question, why this tertiary is a more stable? Why not secondary? Why not first primary? That point we are going to study. Okay. Now most important point is there, just here in this case the reason behind this is what? Hyperconjugation effect. Okay, I told so far. Okay, the most important, tertiary is a more stable because of reason is what? Hyperconjugation effect. The next, how hyperconjugation effect is work on what? Tertiary. First I am going to take this one. Okay, tertiary I am going to take, I am going to write at the center. Okay, it is better to what? Explain it. Okay, just here I am going to write here C. Next in this case what? This C, H is there, here H is there, here one H is there. Okay, CS3 no same. Okay, after that I am going to write CS3 as it is, CS3 as it is. Okay, 3 types of carbons are there. This is having a what? Positive charge, no problem. Okay, just here this carbon containing how many hydrogens? 3 hydrogens are there. These 3 hydrogens also involved in what? Resonance. Every hydrogen also involved in what? Resonance. Okay, if you want we can write numbering. This is hydrogen number 1, this hydrogen number 2, this is hydrogen number what? 3. Okay, no problem. If you want you can name. Okay, you can name what? Salman Khan hydrogen, Shah Rukh Khan hydrogen, next one is what? Abhishek Bachchan hydrogen, you can call it as no problem. Okay, just here in this case what happened? The first I am going to write what? In this case what? This is hyperconjugation, product is what? Possible, just here. Okay, this one is indicate what? Resonance. Okay, just in this case what? This is 1, 2, 3 is there. Okay, I am going to break this carbon and hydrogen bond, just I am going to break like this, because of what? This carbon need electron, this carbon need what? Electron, that is why I am going to break this hydrogen number 1. Okay, there is a formation of product is, just here product is what? This carbon CS3 as it is. Okay, this CS3 as it is. Next after that what happened? In this case there is a formation of what? Double bond. Next after that what? This carbon, this hydrogen as it is, this hydrogen as it is. Next after that in this case I am going to write this is a H plus, this is a what? H plus. Okay, in this case. Okay, H plus is there, no? Okay, just here in this case, here carbon is there, here hydrogen is there. Is there any bond? No bond. Is there any bond? No bond. Okay, this is indicate what? No bond resonance. Heading is there, no? No bond resonance. Why they called as a no bond resonance? Hydrogen is present near to what? Carbon only, but there is no bond. There is no bond, that is why they called as a no bond resonance. This is the what? First step. The hydrogen number 1 is there, no? Hydrogen, that conjugation means that resonance is what? Completed. Next I am going to take a hydrogen number 2. Okay, just here I am going to, here is there, no? Here bond is there. Okay, I am going to rotate this bond towards here. Okay, if you want you can rotate like this also, no problem. Otherwise you have to write hydrogen here 1, no problem, you have to rotate like this. Okay, like this only. Okay, you have to rotate this one, means in that case what? First I am going to remove this one, otherwise better I will take another example. In this case means you are going to make it confused. Okay, just I am going to remove this one. Okay, it is easy to explain. One thing is complete. Okay, no problem. Second time I am going to write this one. Okay, this one only I am going to consider example. This is carbon is there, CS3 as it is, next CS3 as it is, next what? This is a carbon, this one is what? Hydrogen, next in this case what? Hydrogen, next in this case what? Hydrogen. Okay, just here carbon 1 is there, no? That thing is what? Completed. Here 1 carbon is there, this is a 2 carbon, 3 carbon. This 1 carbon resonance is completed. Next I am going to take a carbon number 2, I am going to rotate like this. This is a positive charge is there, satisfy the what? Valency. Next this is indicate what? Resonance. This is going to get what? Double bond C. After that what? One H as it is, another H as it is. Next after that you have to write CS3 as it is. Next in this case what? CS3. Here one H plus is there, no? This is indicate what? No bond resonance. Okay, the second resonance is completed, that is what? Number of hydrogen number 2 resonance is completed. Okay, next I am going to take one more time this one only. Okay, this is what? C. Here one hydrogen is there, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. Next after that what? CS3. Next this is indicate what? CS3. This is what? Positive charge. This one is indicate what? Resonance. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2 resonance completed. Next one is third one. Third one you have to rotate here, satisfy the what? Valency of this carbon. Next after that in this case formation of double bond like this. Okay, this is going to get a what? H plus. This one is what? Hydrogen as it is. H plus, in this case no bond resonance. After that you have to write CS3 as it is. Next in this case what? CS3 as it is. Okay, third one is also what completed. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, in this case how many hyperconjugation effect is takes place? 3 for what? CS3. Next you have to practice for this one. This is going to get how many hyperconjugation effect? 3. Next, what about this one? This is also going to get a what? 3. Totally how many hyperconjugation effect are possible in? 9 hyperconjugation effect are possible in what? Tertiary. In this case what happened? The 9 hyperconjugation effect are possible. More number of hyperconjugative effect, that is more stability. The more number of hyperconjugative effect, that is more stability. If you want, you can note down point. Okay, more number of hyperconjugative effect takes place, that is indicate what? More stability. Okay, this CS3 I have solved completely. Your homework means you have to solve this CS3 as well as what? This CS3. In that time this CS3 kept as a constant. Okay, do not touch that one. Okay, this first thing is what? Completed. This processes indicate what? Hyperconjugative effect. The next is there, no, here is there. Okay, in this case what happened? This is not possible to rotate a hyperconjugation effect. In this case how many hyperconjugation effect are possible? In this case here CS3 is there, here CS3 is the total. In this case what? 6 possible. Okay, what about in this case? In this case what? 3 possible. Here CS 3 hydrogens are there, no, 3 hyperconjugate effect are possible. Total is 9, 6, 3. That is why this is the most important point. That is why tertiary is the more stable. Just I am going to write here on. You have to practice remaining things. Okay, I am going to solve this second one. There is no need of solve, better this is complete idea is there. Okay, just here I am going to consider this what? Second, CH is there, CS3 is there, this is what H as it is. Next one is what? CS3, resonance takes place. Okay, this hydrogen I am going to write 3. Okay, hydrogen 1, 2, 3 like that. If you want to write 1, 2, 3. Okay, next do not rotate this one. Okay, it is not possible to rotate. Okay, that is what? As it is. After that what? In this case what? Hydrogen as it is, this is what? CS3 as it is. In this case you have to rotate hydrogen number 1. Obviously there is a formation of what? Double bond. Here one H is there, here one H is there. In this case what? H plus. This is indicate what? No bond resonance. This one is indicate what? No bond resonance. Okay, this is what? 1 possible. You have to take second, you have to take third, and in this case what? Here 3 possible, here 3 possible. Totally what? 6. Secondary is having a 6 hyperconjugation effect, primary is having what? 3 hyperconjugation effect. Okay, you have to practice that point. Okay, it is easy is there. Okay, make it perfect. This is most important, the hyperconjugation effect. Okay, up to this what? 4 types of effect completed. The next things we will study what? Next class. Subscribe and promote the channel. Thank you.